Up and in. Welcome back to Andine's TV here in Andine's kitchen. If this is your first time stopping by, up and stand in. Guys, we really appreciate all our subscribers so far. We thank you so much for your continued support. Today, we're coming to you live, okay? We have two special dishes that we will be trying to imitate, okay? First, it will be a green smoothie, and second, it will be a chicken and chickpeas one pot. Very shortly, you'll be seeing two photos of these recipes that we will be creating: the smoothie and also the one pot chickpeas. It's everything in one, okay? That's gonna be the recipe that we are trying to imitate. We're trying to make our dish as close as possible to that dish. So guys, make sure you watch this video to the end. Thank you so much for your continued support. We really appreciate it, and we're gonna get right into the video. All right.
We are so sorry for the late start. We have everything set up, but for some reason we couldn't get no sound. So please, we are so sorry. We beg pardon. Please forgive us. So here we have some chicken. I just have some salt and pepper on it right now. This is the magic seasoning that's gonna give it all the flavors. I never used this seasoning before, so we're gonna see how it's gonna taste. Oh, it looks like curry. So it says 2 tablespoons. So I lightly seasoned with salt and pepper from overnight, but I wanted to put this seasoning on with you. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for your support. So I'm gonna rub it in really nicely. Color looks very good. Over here I have my pan pre-greased and preheated, and on the oven also. This we have some chickpeas, some corn and potatoes, some sweet baby bell, and some Roma tomatoes deseeded. So we're going to do a 1 pan meal tonight. So I'm adding the chicken in, and I'm going to add the other ingredients in between. I prepped these, pre-prepped from last night to just make the job easier. Chickpeas, the potatoes. You know, when these start cooking, everything is gonna get super soft and shrinked. Once you have it prepped, it's a really easy meal. I'm gonna add a few pieces of corn as well, and we're gonna add it to the oven. So we have our oven preheated. So we're going to put it in, and then we're going to come right back and show. So this recipe, it says this easy chicken pan stir brings bold, warming flavors with mineral, tossed with this seasoning that I can't pronounce the name. The chicken roast alongside the potatoes, sweet peppers and chickpeas, creating a rich flavor dish that practically makes its own sauce. The sheet pan may look crowded, but everything melts beautiful together as it cooks. The peppers, potatoes, and chickpeas simmer gently in the oil while the chicken seeps halfway in the skin, staying crispy and juicy below the chickpeas. The chickpeas that's peeking out delightfully crisp, get crisp. The rest that's in the oil becomes soft and smooth. So this dish is very easy. Once you prep, you can get a nice meal that lasts you more than once. So now we're gonna move on to making the juice, or a smoothie I should say. 1 cup unsweetened almond milk. I am using oat milk. Low calories supports hydration. 1 scoop protein powder. I am using collagen. Provides essential protein for satisfactory and muscle maintenance. 1 cup fresh spinach, rich in iron, fiber, and antioxidants. 1 banana adds natural sweetness and potassium for electrolyte balance. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, high in omega-3 and fiber for digestion. Teaspoon of cinnamon helps stabilize blood sugar levels, and add some ice for texture. So we're gonna blend all that ingredients together. Yes, you know, sometimes you have to spend time with people that treats you like machines. They don't appreciate what you do. They just make you feel like you're a metal, and they appear to you like they are machines as well. You know, when you have to do what you have to do outside of your own space alongside other people, and you can clearly see that you are not appreciated. You can feel it, you can see it, and if you try to say or try to point out the way they are, then they don't even acknowledge what they're doing. They just defend and make excuse. But you know, I'm not giving up on this channel. I'm gonna keep pushing. I'm gonna keep going until we grow. When you're starting something, you have to start from down up. Like when you're a baby, you start pulling on your gut, then you realize, oh, I can get up on my knees, and then up off your knees you start creeping, then you stand up, then you fall down, then you stand up again and you try to walk. You make 2 step, 3 step, and then you're boom again. But if you never give up, then you really learn how to walk. So that's what we are doing with this channel. So I just added my spinach. This is my collagen. This is my chia seeds. I blended the chia seeds. I think it's better to blend it than to do it old. And a teaspoon of cinnamon. For those who are trying to take control of their health or their body size, you could do this for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, and just skip your meal. And that's a banana. I'm just checking to see if I'm putting the right amount of bananas in. So this is my oat milk. You can use whatever milk you like. You can use coconut milk, you can use almond milk, or you can use cow's milk, whatever milk you like. You know, you can switch it out for what you like. So we're gonna add some ice in. My ice is stuck. You need to use a really good blender so you can get your ingredients really blended and it's nice and smooth. I am using the Ninja Chef, but you can use the blender that you like. So we're gonna start. I'm gonna run it twice because I like it very smooth, and I use the mixer to mix it around because I don't want it too watery. I want it to make sure that it's fully blended and then it has the smoothie texture. Looks very nice. I'm getting my glass. I like to keep my glass also in the freezer, so when you make a blended drink and your glass is cold, then your drink stay cooler longer. Here's our green drink. Very nice. I'm gonna give it a little, I'm gonna taste it for you. Looks scary, right? But I guarantee you that it's very good because we have the collagen in there, and we also have a banana, so definitely you're gonna get some flavor. And you can use yogurt, you can use protein powder, you can use whatever you like. You don't have to make it exactly like mine, but this is just a example for something that you can really create that really can help your body. So here we go. Very good, really very good and very tasty. You can see that I'm drinking it. It's in the straw. Tastes really good. So guys, make sure you try this, make sure you make it, and send me a message. Leave me a nice message and let me know if you like it, what you would do different. But if you try it, don't look at how green it is. It's really good. You don't even taste the spinach. It's very tasty. Very nice. I could down the whole glass right now. So we're gonna get back to the chicken. Let's take a peek at it and see how it's looking.
Peeps, that chicken doesn't look like it already right now. It's smelling good. Can already see the juices being created, but this look like it's gonna take a little while to be finished. In the meantime, peeps, if you guys want to get the recipe, just send us a message for that smoothie. Just leave a comment down below, say hey, I want to try that smoothie, and we can send you the detailed recipe or the detailed the specific ingredients.
So Love God family, as you see, it's cooking slowly. So we are going to come back, we're going to take a break, and then we're gonna come back in and so you can see the finished look. So we're gonna upload this video because it's gonna take a really long time, but we didn't want the week to pass and we didn't come and show our face and show you what we're doing. So thank you for those who tune in. Thank you for your love, your support, and bear with us, help us grow. And for our OGs that stays with us even when we're not uploading, because you know life takes over, we have full-time jobs and all of that kind of stuff. Thank you for staying with us. Thank you so much. For now, we are gonna say up and out.